Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Peasy Vocab. Today we are going to learn about the third part of the verbal called infinitives. In this image you can see a girl doing ballet. To be a ballerina is my lifelong dream. To be in this sentence is an infinitive and let's see how. So basically an infinitive is to plus the verb. Examples: to go, to carry, to drive, to test, etc. Note, these look like verbs, but they are not. Infinitives are used as nouns. Basically, most of the infinitives are used as nouns, but they are also used as adjectives or adverbs. In the image, you can see a mom and a daughter. To love is divine. To love is an infinitive and the subject of the sentence. I'll tell you a trick on how to identify an infinitive acting as a noun. So to test if the infinitive is acting as a noun, like in gerunds, what do? We can substitute the infinitive with a regular noun. So let's take away to love and replace that with music. Music is divine. So what is music in this sentence? Subject noun, right? So, to love is the infinitive that is acting as a noun in this sentence. Let's take a look at another example of infinitive as a noun. In the image, you can see a boy studying seriously, but he says, I don't want to study history. Here, to study is an infinitive and an object of the verb want. So, what is the verb in the sentence? Want, right? And I is the subject pronoun. So here to study will be the object of the verb want. Again, to test if the infinitive is acting as a noun, like in gerunds, we can substitute the infinitive with a regular noun. So let's take away to study history and add broccoli. I don't want broccoli. You can say I don't want asparagus. So broccoli and asparagus will be the objects, right? Object noun. So they are the object of the verb want. So here to study is the infinitive that is acting as a noun. Now let's see infinitives that act as adjectives. In the first image, you can see a couple who is getting married, right? Henry was the first guy in our team to marry. Here, to marry is an infinitive that acts as an adjective. How? Because it describes and modifies the noun Henry, right? So, to marry is the adjective. In the second image, you can see two kids playing. Having a friend to play would be nice. Here, to play is an infinitive that acts as an adjective as it modifies the noun friend. Friend is the noun in this sentence and to play is modifying the noun friend. Got it? Now let's see infinitives that act as adverbs. In the first image, you can see a girl jumping around and dancing. Tina went outside to dance. To dance is the adverb in the sentence because it modifies the verb went. Went is the main verb in the sentence and to dance is modifying that verb. So this infinitive to dance is acting as an adverb in the sentence. You can go into my video called adverbs in the playlist to watch all about adverbs. In the second image, you can see two people working together and the second one says, she hoped to understand the concept. She was trying to understand the concept. To understand will be the infinitive that acts as an adverb because it explains why she hopes. Right? Why is she hoping? She's hoping to understand. So here to understand is the adverb in this sentence. Infinitive that acts as an adverb. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you so much.